Hello YouTube, good morning. I'm here in the city of Abeokuta, Ogun State, Nigeria, um, to recorrect some of these already installed solar panels. Um, the job being done here is not really impressive. We have eight 130 watts solar panels, and they are working fine. They are cool. I've checked them out. Measure their voltages. They are doing pretty fine. But the problem is um, there is no charge controller to charge it. Controlling it right now. So it's more or less like it has been connected directly to the battery banks inside the house, which is a very wrong way of installing. And now I bought an MPPT charge controller, 40 amps, to serve as the charger controller for the systems in the house. In the house we have 8 battery banks, but actually 4 will be used for the job for now. And later, subsequently, we're going to increase the panels to about 16. That in total, that means another 8 panels. But obviously, it's going to be 250 watts. I'm no longer going for this. Actually, I didn't buy this. I just came to recorrect the job. So definitely, we're going to increase the panels for the other 8 the other 4 batteries, making a total of 8. I'm going to be making a series parallel connection, 4 in series, another 4 in series, to enable me take advantage of the features, the beautiful features of an MPP charge controller. finally, all systems installed successfully. 4 batteries, 24 volts, 400 amps, connected to 2 kVA inverter, and an Epever MPPT charge controller installed. Right now it's 5 p.m. and we're getting 62 volts, 0.7, 0.8, around 0.7, 0.8 amps. So it's still generating, and it's still generating, and the charge controller is charging the batteries. And our battery is at 24.8 volts. 1.8 amps is being stored in the battery right now. The temperature of the room is 33 degrees. It's been awesome for this particular job. 4 batteries, batteries, and an N2 2 kVA inverter. We have a voltage stabilizer to stabilize the voltage coming from the main generator, and to charge the batteries if there's no sunlight. Well, it's been an awesome day, a stressful one. Thank God for the success of the installation. I remember Osaka Burns of Lila Solar Solutions.